Me and my husband have an argument. She pissed me off. Good morning. I woke up, have a headache, and then I watched a video from Say's vlog and Anakai. Also, I watched the two of them before I get up. So now I'm done watching the video, so I have to get up. So anyway, guys, good morning. Good morning again. I'm going to make some breakfast now here. My husband got me some croissant because all the croissants that I have, it's in the other house. And yeah, so he got me one, but it's not from Costco, it's from ShopRite. The difference about ShopRite and Costco croissants, it's Costco is more fluffier and tastier battery, and it's more like a lot inside. There's a lot you know, bread inside, but the ShopRite, or you know, any store, it's not. Look at this. So it's different. It's kind of holy. There's a lot of like spot inside that there's no meat, there's no bread. My husband doesn't want to eat breakfast. He has a leftover sandwich. He eat it. So what do you guys want? Do you want to go out now? Okay, let's go out. What time is it? Okay, Roxy want to go out and pee because I know Roxy, after eating breakfast or anything, especially breakfast, she want to pee. It is very windy and we're home. I drove home back here because I don't want to stay there, so we're gonna go back there Monday anyway. And yeah, it's kind of dark in the room, so I opened this window. We're home a while ago, I think almost an hour, and it's 7:30 already and we don't have dinner yet. And they decided to order something from the place close here, pizzeria, but they're ordering some chicken farm. Me and my husband have an argument. She pissed me off. Oh no! So I stay in the room. I just annoyed with him. And I feed the dog, the cat, so I'm good. I don't know if I'm eating. I will eat. But yeah. So I will see you later, guys. I just tell you that we're home and I can't vlog downstairs. I'm in bed. I'm afraid if you might follow me here. So yeah. Good morning! Morning, morning, morning! Oh my god!
Scratch him. I was had any like. Oh, you scratch him. Oh, you scratch him like you were doing.
Tommy just left. So laundry over there. I washed the bed sheets, and we have our own laundry. And the one that we put cover over there. This is what it looks like, guys. If there's no cover, hi Misty. Hi guys, I am vlogging late. It's already 10:30 and I'm going down. My husband is home. I don't vlog much today. Somebody's home. Somebody's home. Look at that face. Look at that face. Who's burping? Somebody's burping. Yeah, somebody's burping, guys. And the cat is waiting. Ah, don't attack the cat. No cat attack. Something to eat. Okay.
Don't touch my shoes. I also, I don't know why I didn't realize this. You know, years ago there was a boxer, Cassius Clay.
What's his name?
Cassius Clay.
I never heard of that name.
And you want to know why?
Why?
Because guess what Muhammad Ali's name was? Cassius Clay.
Oh, that's him.
So when he started, that was his name. I remember Cassius Clay as a boxer, but for some reason I never.
Ah, he changed his name. I remember he's in the news. He said that he changed his name.
Yeah, but I never made that association before. I don't know why I didn't.
Why is that clumpy?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, husband just got home from work and he is having his din time. Hi, Misty. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna just talk to my husband and I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Good night, hon.
Night.
Night, guys. Bye-bye. I'm done for now, guys. It's almost, it's 12:30. I'm going to pick her up very soon, and I went online and looked for a place to fix that thing. And what happened? I told my husband I keep calling yesterday. Oh, thank goodness I don't, reach anybody yesterday afternoon. I've been calling everyone, store for fixing sunglasses, and I also contact Raven, that they will repair. I can't do warranty mine because it's accidentally ruined. It's my own fault. Club Master Raven, and I don't wanna just throw that out. I need it to be fixed. So this morning he fixed it. He looked for ways to fix it that I know he is really good with fixing stuff, and he did. So thank goodness. Okay, sir. Huh?